Hey, if you want to add fingerprint into the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, you have to start by opening Settings, and now you will have to go into Lock Screen. Then you will have to go to the Screen Lock and Biometrics, input your current screen lock, and right now you can find biometrics, so you have to click on the fingerprints, click Continue, click Register, and right now we have to place our finger on the sensor and slowly move our finger around the sensor without lifting. So it looks like that. Take a look. There's the sensor at the power key, and you have to move it to the left side, right side, and just like this. Just keep moving all around the left side, the right side, until you will get 100% progress. And once you actually finish, you can add another fingerprint by clicking Add in the left bottom corner, or you can click Done, and you can now test your finger. So let's try it. Let's touch it, and as you can see, it works properly.